Hi there guys, welcome back to another PriceCP Roblox Studio tutorial. Previously, you may have seen our video on a must-do for all games titled Everyone Should Do This Inside Your Games. So basically in that video, we showed you how to prompt the user, the player, to favorite your game while they're playing. But if you have read our description of this video, you may have seen a disclaimer. It says obviously you do not want to show this prompt every time the player enters the game, because it can be annoying to players who have already favorited your game to keep on seeing the same prompt. So you will need to keep track of some stats and decide when to show the prompt. Well, finally we have added this to Pebble Heaven, and I'm going to show you what we did inside Pebble Heaven. So here we are, here we have Pebble Heaven, the next chapter, and you can see this game has not yet been added to favorite. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play the game, and when I see the prompt, I'm going to add it to my favorite list. So now I'm going to go and play the game. And there it is. You can see I've been prompted to add this game to my favorite list. Do you want to add Pebble Heaven, the next chapter, to favorite? And I'm going to click on yes. And when I'm done with the game, I'm just going to exit. Going back to this page, I'm just going to refresh the page. And there you see it. This game has been favorited by me. Now the only problem with this is, even though I have added this game to my favorite list, if I go and play the game again, let's see what happened. So here I am inside Pebble Heaven, the next chapter again. And remember, this game is already on my favorite list. And look at that, it's prompting me again. Do you want to add Pebble Heaven, the next chapter, to favorite? So I have to click yes or no again, right? And that could be very annoying to players who have already added the game to their favorite list. So let's now go to Studio and see how we can fix this. So here we are inside Pebble Heaven, the next chapter, and I have made some changes to this game. One of the changes I made was to add a prompt favorite into the starter player scripts, prompt favorite. This is where we prompt the player for the player to add the game to the favorite list, but we don't do it every time the player enters the game. We check the player first, we check the user here. So we're only going to prompt the player when it's necessary, but we don't want to annoy the player by prompting the player every time they enter the game, even though they have favorited the game to their list. So now let's publish this game to Roblox, and we're gonna go and play test again, and let's see if this is gonna work. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unfavorite this game, so remove it from my favorite list, and now let's play test and take a look. So this is the first time I enter the game, and you should see that it's gonna prompt me with the prompt favorite for me to add this game to my favorite list. And there is the prompt. Do you want to add Pebble Heaven, the next chapter, to favorites? I'm gonna click on yes. So the game should have been added to my favorite list. We can now leave the game and let's take a look. And here we are back over here. You can see this game now is not in my favorite list, but if I refresh, you can see it has been added to the favorite list. But now let's see what happens if I go in and play again. I don't want to see that prompt again each time I go in. So let's take a look. I should not get that prompt window anymore when I play this game. Oh, I found a turtle.
I like turtles.
Yeah. And there you have it, guys. You see, I no longer get that prompt to add this game to my favorite list, because I have already seen it. I don't want to see it again. Now guys, unfortunately this is all the code I can show you, because this is my game, Pebble Heaven, the next chapter. But if you want, you can become a member of the channel, and I can show you all the code behind this as to how we did it inside Pebble Heaven, so that the prompt is only going to be displayed only one time, and it's not going to be displayed over and over and over again, which can be annoying to players inside your games. In addition to this, you're going to get access to all the members only videos that we have on our channel. And above all, you're gonna be supporting your favorite channel to keep us going so we can keep on making new tutorials for everyone. Thank you all for watching. I hope you're gonna become a member of the channel, and we will see you in our next tutorial. Take care everyone, peace.